Okay, if you've got any questions regarding putting the Concavex disc on the Wagtail handle, find a list of questions and answers below this video in the descriptions. Okay, I'm going to show you these handles. These are the newer ones, and we're going to show you how to take the tip off and put the holes in it. So here you put this in the vise, and first off what you do is get the disc and you center punch it so you can drill a hole like this. I've already done one just here. So you get the drill and then drill the hole, same size as the wagtail bolt, obviously. And now we put the disc in the groove there, just line it up, and you get a Sharpie or a marking pen, pencil, whatever, and you just mark around it like this. So once it's marked, you get a saw. We got a hacksaw, seems to cut it okay. And now we've got a wood rasp, and we found that seems to file it down very easily and quickly to get the main material off, and that's how it's done. Here, when you close out, that'll get in the road of your squeegee when you're closing out. So what we've done is file it down like this. This rasp is a half circle one also, so we have the half circle, and that's how it'll file. And taking particular notice that we're doing it right on the edge, so we won't have that problem with closing out, just here. So that's how that's done. So I know a lot of people have been saying that handle spins around like a helicopter like this, and we're going to show you how to fix this problem. So here you can see that we've put a rubber band through here, and we've also done it on a yellow disc one. We just drilled a couple of holes there and done the same thing. So all you need is a crochet hook. Got this one from my wife, and also a couple of zip ties like this, and some heavy duty rubber bands. So you get your handle, you put the crochet hook through and pull the rubber band through, put the zip tie through, just pull it like that, just bring it around the other side, and you hook it through, put the zip tie through there, like this. Once you got that through, I'll get that through in a minute. Okay, we got it through, and all you need to do then is just connect the zip ties like this, making sure that you pull it as tight as you can to keep it there, and that's how it's done. Yes, it is necessary because with the rise here, the Concavex disc is only travelling on this small bit here. but when you have the one without the rise on it, it rides on this area, and it's a much smoother operation. So this is why we removed the rise off this disc. Of course, all other Wagtail discs, they haven't got a rise, so you don't need to worry about that, but generally this will make it work more smoothly. So all you have to do here is just tighten the disc right up as far as you can, like that, and just back it off half turn or so, and that's the tightness you should have it at, like that. And that's it. So we have the disc with the rise, just put in the rise here, and we'll start off with just using a wood rasp and just get the bulk of the rise off. I'll just spread it up a little bit here, and now we'll get a stone, a rotary stone, and we'll just smooth it over like this. I'm just putting it all up for you, and this is how it turns out, and that's how this is done. So what we're going to do here, you can see I've done the nut, and you can see there's a bit of a gap. Make sure that notch is in there all the time. So what we've done here is get some thread lock, and we're going to put a dab just in here, just put a dab in there, and then you go and tighten it up. You tighten it right up to as tight as possible, and then back it off about a half a turn or so, and leave it like that. But beware, this is a permanent fix. You won't be getting the screw off too soon without breaking the thing apart.